Kigambibwa nti ababaka ba Paalamenti abasaba 50 okuyine ba minisita be bagambibwa okwenyigira mu kubulankanya amabaati agali agabawejjere b'ekkalamojja era nga bamu ku bano oluvannyuma lw'okuzuulibwa basalawo okuzzaayo amabaati gano. Abamu ku bagambibwa okwenyigira mu kubulankanya amabaati gano balozezza dda ku mukono gw'amateeka nga ku bano kuliko minisita avunaanyizibwa ku nsonga z'ekkalamojja Margaret Kitutu wadde nga kkooti yamutadde ekkakalu ka bukadde 10. Minisita Kitutu mu kkooti yawozesa emisango gy'obulyake n'obukenuzi avunaanibwa emisango okuli obuli bw'enguzi okufiiriza gavumenti kwekuba n'okubba gavumenti n'emisango emirala wadde nga yajeegaana wadde nga obuyinza busigala eri kkooti okuta omuvunaanwa kkakalu ekya kkooti okuyimbula minisita Kitutu. Abamu bagamba nti tekigunjula nga n'abamu ku bagambibwa okwenyigira mu nsonga z'amabaati bakyayinaayina.
The application for bail is a constitutional right. Whether you get it or not is discretionary and depending on a number of factors. And it's my opinion that if you are not able to provide an expeditious trial, you should be able to provide parameters where a person enjoys their liberty while they await trial.
So I think I want to applaud the system. They're doing their work. And right now, for now, we are seeing that no one seems to be above the law. I think that this thing is going to implicate a lot of people. It's very unfortunate. But how we deal with it will either show that we respect the rule of law or we do not.
Nekigendererwa ekyokulaba nga abeenyigira mu kubulankanya amabaati g'ekkalamojja bavunaanibwa mu mateeka ku Lwokutaano lwa Ssabbiiti eno. Ebitongole ebikuumaddembe byagombye obwalamu minisita omubeezi w'ebyensimbi Amos Lugolobi era nga kati alindiridde kuvunaanibwa mu mbuga z'amateeka. Minisita Lugolobi kigambibwa nti y'omu ku baminisita abazzaayo amabaati oluvannyuma lw'okunoonyereza ku nsonga eno.
The team changed their position and said, we don't want you to buy the iron sheet. We want to recover those ones.
Return of property wrongly appropriated or stolen or wrongly used does not take away the criminal offense of either abuse of office, theft, among others.
But you've still committed a crime. If I kidnap your child, and then when the police is hot on my tail, I bring the child back, I have still committed a crime. We have to answer for our crimes. We have to be accountable, especially leaders. We have to have leaders who are accountable for their crimes.
Minisita Lugolobi nga kati ali mu kaduukulu ka poliisi era ng'essaawa yonna alindiriddwa kuvunaanibwa. Bannamateeka batangaaza ku ddembe ly'omuntu avunaanibwa singa aba akyali mu kaduukulu ka poliisi.
One, you're supposed to be detained in a gazetted place. Some of the gazetted places include police, if you have not yet been committed, and prison after you have been committed.
He's given a right to be presumed innocent unless proven guilty. He has a right to medical treatment. He has a right to access his family, to access a lawyer.
You are required constitutionally and by law to be produced in a court of law within 48 hours. It doesn't matter whether you are still investigating, whether you feel this person is a hardcore criminal.
Emirundi egiwerako okukwatibwa kw'abantu abateeberezebwa okuba n'emisango okukolebwa wabula olw'okulwawo kw'okunoonyereza. Kino oluusi kikalubiriza woofiisi ya Ssaawa wa gavumenti okumaliriza omusango mu budde.
The law does not deal with investigations. The law deals with what happens after investigations. And so if you are investigating and you feel you are not ready to charge, there are two things. One, do not arrest.
An accused person has rights. An accused person is supposed to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. So in order to incarcerate someone endlessly because you have failed to do your work or you failed to get the evidence that is required is unfair.
There is no justification. I'm still investigating, I'm waiting for a witness, I'm waiting for a forensic report. 48 hours you have before you produce a person before a court of law.
Mu musango gwonna ng'okunoonyerezebwa kukyagenda mu maaso, kkooti ezimu ziwalirizibwa okuzza omusibe mu kkomera singa baba tebayimbuddwa. Wabula ku nsonga eno bannamateeka bagamba nti kino oluusi kityoboola eddembe ly'omuvunaanwa.
there is what we call the mandatory remand period. If that remand period has been exceeded, the prosecution now is put at pains to prove why this person should stay on remand. But we need to realize that our police and our DPP are understaffed heavily. They are under facilitated.
Not every charge should be sanctioned. Number two, the police knows that the DPP has initiated a prosecution-led investigation. Follow the advice and guidance of the DPP.
Mu bagambibwa okwenyigira mu nsonga z'amabaati g'ekkalamojja kuliko omumyuka wa President Major Jessica Alupo, Ssaabaminisita Robina Nabbanja, Minisita w'ebyensimbi Matia Kasaija, Speaker wa Parliament Anita Among, amyuka Minisita w'ensonga z'ekkalamojja Agnes Nanduttu n'abalala.
While the people of Karamoja deserve justice, even those accused equally deserve justice. In all this, we say due process should be followed.
We don't want suspected criminals walking all over the place, showing people that there is no justice, there's no one doing something. At the same time, I'm wondering, the people at the center of this, the Karamoja people, what are we doing for them? These iron sheets that have been returned, they've been taken to Karamoja, or are they lying somewhere rusting as evidence? We also need to understand.
Inze Namamonde Deborah, akusakidde bino.